In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link quickly and easily. Whether you're planning a future meeting or need to connect with others right away, creating a Google Meet link is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and explore the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by going to meet.google.com using your web browser or by opening the Google Meet app on your mobile device. Both options provide a user-friendly interface where you can manage all your video conferencing needs efficiently. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage or app interface, you'll notice a button that says New Meeting. Click on this button and you'll be presented with several options, allowing you to tailor your meeting setup according to your specific requirements. You have three main choices at this point. You can choose to create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule a meeting using Google Calendar. Each option serves a unique purpose, so consider which one best fits your scenario. If you decide to create a meeting for later, this is a fantastic option if you need time to prepare, or if you want to ensure everyone has the meeting link in advance. After choosing this option, Google Meet generates a unique link for you. Simply copy this link and share it with others through your preferred communication channel. This way everyone can have it handy when it's time to meet. On the other hand, if you're looking to start a meeting immediately, you can opt for the Start an Instant Meeting feature. By selecting this, you'll be directed straight into a new meeting space. You can then invite participants to join you right away. It's perfect for those spontaneous discussions or last-minute collaborations. Lastly, if you want to schedule a meeting for a specific date and time, use Google Calendar. Here you can add all the details such as the meeting's purpose, duration, and invitees. This method is excellent for advanced planning and ensures everyone involved receives a calendar invite, complete with the meeting link and reminders. Remember, whether you're using Google Meet for casual catch-ups, business meetings, or educational purposes, the flexibility it offers makes it a convenient choice for users of all kinds. That's it. You've learned how to create a Google Meet link quickly and efficiently, accommodating whatever your meeting needs might be. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly connect with anyone, anywhere. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future video conferencing endeavors.